Hey guys, the brand sent me this alarm clock and wireless phone charger for free so I can check it out and create this video. I wanted to show you the unique features of this one. Now to use it, it's real simple. Now it comes with a USB plug-in. It does not come with this adapter here. So you need to have one of these or purchase one in order to plug it into the outlet. Now once it's plugged in, there you go. You can see right away the display. You're gonna get the time, you're gonna get the relative humidity, and you're gonna get the date and the temperature. Now back over here are some controls where you can alternate different things. For instance, you can go from Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can also switch between display mode 1, which is gonna give you the humidity and the temperature and the date, or display mode 2, which is just gonna give you the humidity and the temperature. Now you can also control the brightness. You can see it's on level 1 right now. You can go brighter or brightest. You can even switch between sound mode off and sound mode on. Now if you put sound mode on, it's gonna dim down at night to make your room a little bit darker to sleep better. Then when it hears a noise over 60 decibels in the morning, it'll brighten back up again. You can also just gently touch it in the morning in order to brighten it back up. Now, of course, the other nice thing about this is the phone charging capability. You're simply gonna stick your phone up here. There you go, you can see it start to charge. Now you can also pair it to your phone with Bluetooth by pressing down here. Now you look down on your Bluetooth menu and you're gonna see it. Then you're connected, you can play music through the speakers. You can see one on this side and one on this side. Very high quality. You can also press that same button again to answer and hang up on phone calls. Now to set the time and date, you're simply gonna press the button over here. That's where also you can set up the alarm. You get 3 different alarms you can set on this device. And it's got a little battery in here, so if you disconnect it and move it to a different room, everything's still gonna be memorized here. So it looks great sitting on your nightstand. It has a lot of unique features. So if you're looking for a way to consolidate your alarm clock, phone charger, Bluetooth speaker, and temperature and humidity functioning, this might be perfect for you.